Hi there. In this video, we are going to learn about a Venn diagram, which is chapter 5 of Edexcel Stats and Mechanics book of first year AS level. So let's see Venn diagram and how to shade them here. And my first part is A union B. Yeah. So A union B. A union B means I can give you one example, like if A has three elements 1, 2, 3, and B has 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so A union B means all the elements of A and all the elements of B without repeating, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is A union B. And A intersection B, whatever is common, like 2, 3, 2, 3 is common, that is called 2, 3. Yeah, so this is basic difference between A union B. Union is or and this is intersection is and. Yeah, so here you need to shade this A union B. So it means all the elements of A here. So let's shade it. All the elements of A. So this is A. So this is A. Write down here A, and this is B. So you can shade everything, yeah, A and B. So this is representing A union B. Now let's go for another example. In this diagram, we need to shade what should be A intersection B, yeah, or you can say probability of A intersection B. So A intersection B, like I have explained you, that is common part, yeah. So A intersection B is common part. So whatever is common. So if you see here, here was common 2 and 3. So here A intersection B will be this part, that is common part. So this is A and this is B, and universal set, sometimes we write down U here. You can write down U here, universal set. So A intersection B, so is showing this part, right? Let's go for another one. Next one we need to show on the Venn diagram. So P A naught, yeah, and we can say P A complement. So it's up to you, whatever you wanna say, not A or A complement, both are same. So what we are going to do, not A means if this is A and this is B, so not A means outside. Let's cover, this is not A, right? This is not A, and this is also not A, right? So you can leave A, don't touch A. Apart from A, whatever is left over, that is not A. So that is the diagram of P not A. Okay, now let's see if it is showing P not B, yeah, or PB complement, then what will happen? So P not B. So if this is A and this is B, so not B means you are not touching B, you are touching everything except B, yeah. So this is outside and you're not touching B, so this will be here. Okay, don't go in the region of B. So this is okay, this is showing not B, right? Let's go for another one. Okay, so here we need to find P A naught intersection B. So we can do it parts by parts, yeah. So let's find out what is P A naught, yeah. A naught means if this is A and this is B, it means don't touch A. You can shade everything except A. Okay, you can shade everything except A. So this is P not A. Okay, now this part is done. Now B. So let's go for B. So if this is A and this is B, so what will be PB? So it's simple, just shade B. Shade B. So this is our B. I have shaded now. This is B. Okay, now our question was probability of A intersection, probability of A complement intersection B. So it means we know this, it is here. We know this, it is here. So what intersection means? Common. So what is common part? If you see here, what is common part? Outside it is shaded, it is not shaded, so just leave it. Inside B is shaded, Yeah, here B is shaded, but here it is shaded this area. Yeah, but this area is not shaded, so just leave it and just shade B. Okay, so this will be like this. Yeah, this this is common part of this diagram and this diagram. Yeah, so this will represent P A naught intersection B. I hope it is clear. Yeah, and you can write down here, this is A and this is B, and this is universal set outside. Okay, now let's go for another one. So our next example is probability of A intersection B complement. So let's do one by one. So if this is A and this is B, okay, so I'm going to show you what will be A only. A. So A only, just shade A. A only, just shade A. Okay. Now, what about P, B complement? If this is A and this is B, so probability of B complement. B complement means not B. Not B means you can shade everything except B. Yeah. So let's shade it. So except B, you can shade everything. Yeah. This is what I have shaded except B. Yeah. So I have shaded A. We are not going in the area of B. Yeah. So this is B, not B. Now our question is A intersection B complement. So whatever is common between A and B complement. If you see here, what is common? Here A is shaded and here A is shaded. Yeah. Here outside is shaded, but outside is not shaded. Yeah. So you can easily see, but this area you need to leave. Yeah, so this area you need to leave. So if we have to see the common part, so common part will be only this area, this part and this part. This is common. Yeah, so let's do it here. So only this part. Yeah. Okay, so this is going to represent PA intersection B complement, right? And let's write down here, this is A and B. Okay, let's go for another one. So in this diagram, we are going to show you P not A union B. So not A. So first in this diagram, I'm going to show you what will be not A. So if this is A and this is B, not A means everything except A. So you can shade everything except A. So you can shade everything except A. Sorry, this is by mistake. So let me rub this. Okay. So this is not. Yeah. So everything except A. So we are not going in the A region. Yes, except A. So this is not A. What about B? So if it is B, so if this is A and this is B, means only B. So you are shading only B. That's it. Now P A dash done, P B done. Now you need to combine, because union is combination. So P A naught union B, what it will be. So what is common part? Okay, so what is union here? So if you see, union is outside is here, but there is not outside, so we need to cover everything. So in the previous example, I have explained you A and B. Union means all the elements of A, all the elements of B without repeating. So outside is shaded, so you need to shade it outside. Yeah, so I have shaded it outside. Okay, now what about B? Okay, so this is B. What about B? So B will be this one. So this is B. Okay, so if you combine both the results, you can see this is outside and B, and this is B only. So if you combine, so outside and B is coming together here. So this will be your final result, right? So you need to combine both the diagrams. Yeah. Okay, let's go for another one. So here it is P A naught intersection B naught. So we will do step by step. First we are going to construct P A naught. So P A naught, as I told you, it is not A. So you can shade everything except A. Yeah. So that I have shaded everything. Yeah. Except A. So we are not going in the area of A. Yeah. So this is A. Next one is not B. So if this is A, this was B. Yeah. If this is A, this is B, and not B. So not B means you are shading everything except B. Yeah. So we are shading everything except B. Okay. Now you need to see intersection. Intersection means whatever is common. Yeah. So see, it is outside. Blue color you can see outside, green color outside. So let's do it here. So outside is shaded. So our final diagram will be outside shaded one. Yeah. So I have done that. Now if you see, A is empty, but here A is shaded, so it is not common. Okay. Now here B is shaded, but B is empty here, so it is not common. So we can leave it as it is. So this is representing P A naught intersection B naught. Okay, so just common part. So what is common in both the diagram? Just outside one. We can't take this A because A is empty here and A is shaded. Here B is shaded and B is empty here. So common part is outside one. Yeah. So that is your final one. So this is next one, P A union B, whole complement here, whole complement. So let's do one by one. So what is A union B? A union B means we can do it. Okay, this can be done in two diagrams, right? A union B. So let's what is A union B? If this is A, this is A, and this is B, it means you are shading A and shading B, that is A union B. So what is A union B complement means? Not A union B. So you can leave these A and B and shade outside. Yeah. So you can leave this and shade outside. So it is A and B. So this is representing A union B whole complement here. So this is, so we don't require third diagram. We can do it for another one here. So let's delete it. Okay. Now next one. So here what we have taken three elements like A intersection B intersection C. So first we are going to do A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? Like common part of A and B. If this is A and B, then this will be a common part. Now second one is C. So what will be C? So C is just shade C. Yeah, all the parts of C. So this part is covered, this part is covered, and all the parts of C. Yeah. Now the next one is we need to do here A intersection B and their common part with C. So if you see A intersection B and their common part with C, so what is common part here? Okay, if you see here, what is common part? So see, this whole thing is shaded, but this whole thing is shaded, but you can see this part and this part is common here. Okay, so we can shade just this part here. So this will represent A intersection B intersection C, common in all the three. Yeah. Okay, let's go for another one. Here we are going to do A union B intersection C. So first we are going to do A union B. So here this is showing A union B. So this is A, B, C. Write down here A, B and C. So A union B means all the part you are shading A, all the parts you are shading here A and B. When they are saying C part, so this is just C part. So C part will be like this, just C part. So this is C part. Okay, now we need to show A union B and their common part with C. So if you see their common part, Here A is shaded, so A is shaded, here it is not shaded. Here B is shaded, here B is not shaded, so it is not common. Here this part is shaded and here this part is shaded, so we can take this part. Okay, here this part is shaded and here also this part is shaded, so we can take this part as well, right? And here this part is shaded and here this part is shaded, whatever is common in these figures, so that I have taken. So this is going to show you A union B intersection C. Let's go for another one. So in this one we need to shade A union B complement intersection C. So first I'm going to show you A union B here. So if this is A and this is B and C, okay, and here it is A union B complement. So A and B you can leave it and rest you can shade it. So I can shade it everything, yeah. So I can shade everything except A and B. So I have done that, yeah. So I'm not touching, just I'm going in this area, yeah. Okay, so I have shaded everything. Next one is C part. So just C part, shade only C part. So it is just C part, all these things, yeah. This is C part. Now we need to combine both the result, like A union B complement or not A union B and intersection C. So what is common part here? So see, it is shaded outside, it is shaded outside, it is not, so it is not common part. Okay, A is not shaded here, here also A is not shaded. Okay, right? So what is common here? So here C is shaded, C is shaded, and here also C is shaded. So this is our common part. So this is our common part. C is shaded here and C is shaded here. So let's shade down. This C is shaded. Okay. Now what about this part? So this part is not shaded here, but this part is shaded here, so we can't take this part. Similarly, this part is not shaded here and this part is shaded, so we can't take. We need to take common part, and this part is unshaded and this is shaded here, right? So we are not taking this part, so only this part is going to represent A union B not intersection C. So I hope you have got clear cut concept of Venn diagram, and in case if you are facing any difficulty, please write a comment and I will try to resolve your problem. And if you haven't subscribed my video, please subscribe my video and my channel as well, and press the like button. Okay, and just I want to say thanks for watching. Goodbye.